see, I found, oh no, okay, all right, yeah, I did it. I did it several different ways, but probably the easiest way to find the source current is to find the total impedance, and that will be the current coming out of here. So the total impedance is going to be this 4 ohm plus, and I'll just call this for right now Z right in parallel with Z left, and so it'd be this branch in parallel with this branch. So that'll be Z total will be 4 plus Z right is 2 plus J5 plus 1 minus J3 in parallel with Z left, which is 9 minus J4. And so Z total is 4 plus 3 plus J2 in parallel with 9 minus J4, or 4 plus 3 plus J2 times 9 minus J4 over 3 plus J2 plus 9 minus J4. Which I did somewhere, but I can't find it. Okay, so I did this problem in a number of different ways, and now I can't find this way. So this is 4 plus fraction, open parentheses, 3 plus J2, close parentheses, open parentheses, 9 minus J4, all over 3 plus 9 is 12, 2 minus 4 is minus J2. I don't see that I wrote this down anywhere. So this, I got, tell me if y'all got the same thing. 6.757 plus 0.959 plus J 0.959. Okay, good. All right, so that's our total impedance. So our source current is going to be, is V equals IZ. So I will equal V over Z, and V is 150 divided by 6.757 plus J 9.59. So I can just take 150 divided by second answer and hopefully get the right answer. I'll change it to to polar to see if it matches what I have. And it does. Okay, so that is 21.9795, angle negative 8.08. Okay, so that gives us the source current. Well, then to do current division, you do something very similar to the way that we were doing voltage division before. you take, but current division works a little bit differently. So current division, if I have, in this instance, I would have I and Z1 and Z2, and I already have I here, so I'm not concerned about the 4 ohm resistor anymore. I've just, because I have I right here, so I is just splitting up into those two places. And so if I label this Z1 and this Z2, then I1 equals I, our source current, times the other impedance, Z2, over Z1 plus Z2. Okay, so I equals our source current, which was 21.98 angle negative 8.08 times, and we're looking for I on this side, so the impedance on the other side is 2 plus J5 plus 1 minus J3, so that's 3 plus J2 over the total impedance, which will be this 3 plus J2 plus the stuff over here, which would be, well, not the total impedance, the sum of the two impedances. So it would be 3 plus J2 plus 3 plus 6 minus J4. So that's 3 plus 9 is 12, and J plus J2 minus J4 is minus J2. So I have that answer already, so I can just take my times fraction 3 plus J2 over 12 minus J2, and I get 5.33 plus J 3.74, or in polar, .51 angle 35 point something. .1 degrees. Okay, and then the last part of this problem was to say what is the voltage of A relative to ground. And so ground is labeled right here. And we already did all this work to find I. So we can use that. That'll make things easy for us. I is going from A to ground. So I can say that I equals VA minus ground over the impedance between those two, which is just 9. So that means I just equals, or VA, we're actually solving for VA, VA just equals I times 9. So now that you have I, all you have to do is multiply it times 9. So BA equals 9 times this. I'll change it to polar because it's easier for me to write because it's just less writing. 58.6 angle 35.1 degrees. Okay, are there questions on that one?